Hello everyone, welcome all of you to Akshata classes. Today we will do dictation of GD Bist volume 1, dictation number 2, whose speed will be 80 words per minute. Your dictation will start in next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. As far as mobilization of the farmers is concerned, we did not do enough to go to the farmers to explain to them the rationale of this policy, to explain to them how it was crucial for preserving our national independence and for pursuing the path of self reliance. We did not secure their support, and since it was not done, since mass mobilization in support of this policy was not done, all of us share the responsibility for the failure on this front. Let us be candid and let us be honest about it. I would like to remind the honorable member that both of us come from a state which is frequently visited by drought and famine. Therefore, what would happen if the government does not have the stocks? How will they distribute food grains to famine stricken people if they had not taken over wholesale trade in wheat in that year? There were 15 crores to 16 crores of people in various states like Maharashtra, Rajasthan, parts of UP, Bihar, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh who were in the grip of one of the most severe droughts. It would have been impossible to feed them, and it was only because this step was taken that it was possible for the public distribution system to cater to their needs. Sir, in 1965, when we had a similar famine, we distributed about 13 million tons of food grains, but two-thirds of it were imported from the United States of America under the PL 480 programs. Government has been reducing the quantum of imports over the years, and therefore if we want to have self-reliance, if we want to have national honor and self-respect, and at the same time want to ensure supply of food grains to the vulnerable sections of our people, especially in areas of scarcity and drought. There is no other mechanism but to have public distribution system. Public distribution system cannot be a temporary thing. It cannot be created overnight. It must be built over a period of time, and the government must have enough stocks. How to have enough stocks is a problem. Once you admit that there should be public distribution system in our country, it will be necessary to suggest some ways, and rightly the minister inquired from the farmers what price should be fixed for wheat. Sir, public distribution system in our country at the moment covers about 16 million people under statutory rationing and another 400 million people are covered under informal rationing. In fact, this is not enough. It we want to cover even 50% of those people who are under the poverty line. We will have to have a public distribution system which may distribute about 20 million tons of food grains. These 20 million tons of food grains cannot be procured by purchases in the open market. Will the minister point out whether it could be done by a direct levy on producers? Dictation has completed. Like the video and to subscribe the channel.